Welcome to Effortless Cooking, and I know I've taken a big hiatus, guys, but I promise I'm gonna make it up to you. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make the best Platano sandwich. And guys, if you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the little bell to keep up to date with all my future videos. So what I've got here is a green plantain, and we're gonna take off the skin, cut it in half, and then we're gonna half each half until you get like these little flat deals here. I got a skillet, little frying pan with a little bit of olive oil on medium heat. And what we're gonna do, we're going to cook these for right about 2 minutes. We don't want to brown them, guys. It's important not to brown them. We literally just want to get them nice and soft and tender. That's what this process is all about. And the reason you want to use green plantains compared to a more ripe plantain is because the green one holds more starch in it. So it's more of a potato compared to what you would get with a sweeter plantain, which would be more like a banana texture. All right, so once you have the plantains done, ready to go, grab yourself something heavy, doesn't matter, your skillet. I'm using a casserole dish here. And basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna create our buns. And these pretty much like a disc, and we're gonna put these to fry. Now, in this process, we're also gonna fry the medium heat until it's nice and crispy and golden. All right, and we're gonna repeat this obviously twice because you need 2 pieces of bread to make a badass sandwich. Now, once you take these out of the fryer, you're ready to go. You can literally top these sandwiches with anything. Now, what I'm using here is actually some brisket that I actually made in the oven from one of my previous videos. And if you guys want to check that out, I'm gonna leave the link right here, ding, right there. So if you guys click on the card there, it will show you the recipe step by step of how to make this delicious brisket. And pretty much you can just put any toppings you want. I'm putting some cheese, I'm putting some sauce that I had made from the night before for my tacos, topping it off with some avocado, some shredded lettuce, some tomato, and oh, that's right, I also had these you see these onions right there? Oh my god, these are pickled onions, you guys. These are amazing onions. I'll show you guys how to make those later. But that's pretty much it. You can literally use any protein. If you're a vegan, you can also throw in some tofu in here. Prepare it any way you like. I see people making jackfruit meat type of deals. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, go on, follow us. Make sure you guys subscribe. Guys, and quick question, I want to know, have you guys had plantain before? If so, what kind of ways do you prepare it? I really want to know. Hit your boy down in the comment box. I'm out. Peace.